Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make medicated soap at home. If you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Medicated soaps are generally toilet soaps fortified with ingredients that are capable of destroying or preventing the growth of bacteria or germs on the skin. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to make medicated soap at home in what we generally call the do-it-yourself DIY. But before we go through the preparation proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Medicated soap, just like toilet soap, is made from two very important materials. These are vegetable oil and caustic soda, also known as lye. The vegetable oil used for making medicated soap can be just one type or a combination of different vegetable oils. Research has shown that combining different types of vegetable oil to make medicated soap gives the soap a unique appearance, texture, or even fragrance. Examples of vegetable oils are olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, shea butter, castor oil, etc. Now let's talk about caustic soda, also known as lye. Now when preparing lye solution for making medicated soap, the specific gravity of the lye solution should be adjusted to 1250. Specific gravity addresses the relationship between caustic soda and water that will not constitute any health hazard to the skin of the user. And 1250 is the ideal benchmark of the specific gravity of the lye solution used for making medicated soap. Other materials used for making medicated soap which gives the soap its medicinal function are chloroxylenol, glycerin, and vitamin E. Now let's state the quantity of materials needed to produce about 800 grams of medicated soap. Coconut oil 350 ml, olive oil 350 ml, shea butter 25 grams, stearic acid 2 tablespoons, caustic soda 180 grams of caustic soda dissolved in 750 ml and the specific gravity adjusted to 1250, chloroxylenol 20 ml, glycerin 30 ml, vitamin E 20 ml, color a teaspoon, and perfume 10 ml. Now these are the materials. This is coconut oil, and this is olive oil, this is shea butter, and this is stearic acid. Now this is the lye solution we're going to use, that is solution of caustic soda dissolved in water. This solution was prepared by dissolving 180 grams of caustic soda in 750 ml of water, and that brought the specific gravity to 1250 using a hydrometer. I have dropped a link in the description box below this video that will take you to another video that will show you full process of how to prepare lye solution for making medicated soap. Now this is chloroxylenol, this is glycerin, this is vitamin E, this is the color we're going to use, and here we're going to be combining two colors, that is brown and red. And this is the perfume we're going to use. These are our measuring cups, and this is our wooden stirrer. Now the first thing we will do is to melt the stearic acid and the shea butter on fire. So place a pot on fire and add the stearic acid and shea butter into the pot. Now as soon as the pot content is melted, put off the fire and add coconut and olive oil to it. Now measure a small amount of oil and dissolve your color in it. Here we are using two different colors, that is red and brown. Mixing two different colors gives your soap a unique color. Now stir the color until the color is properly dissolved in the oil. Now add more oil to it. That means that we have already measured 1 cup of vegetable oil into the soap reactor. Now stir the oil some more. Now add more cups of oil into the soap reactor. This is the second cup. Now this is the third cup. This is the fourth cup. This is the fifth cup. This is the sixth one. And this last one is half. So now we have a total of 6.5 cups of oil. Now we're going to measure 3.5 cups of lye. We are using the ratio 2:1, that is 2 parts of oil will require 1 part of lye. By this ratio, since we have 6 cups of oil, we will require 3 cups of lye. Now add the lye to the oil and at the same time stir the final solution. Keep on stirring until all the oil have reacted with the lye. Now you can add other medicinal ingredients such as chlorothalonol and stir. Also, add your glycerin to the soap paste. You can also add your vitamin E to it now. Now add your perfume. Now stir the content properly. Now pour the soap paste into the mold. Here we are using an improvised mold. You can now dress the surface of the soap to make it look smooth and fine. Now allow it to cool down for about 48 hours. Now this is our final product. Our homemade medicated soap is ready for use. Now let me say at this point that the choice of colors and vegetable oil used in this preparation is to make our soap look like watermelon. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/sunshineresources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.